In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Excel. This skill is fundamental for anyone using Excel, whether you're managing personal finances, working on a business spreadsheet, or conducting complex data analysis. Excel is an incredibly powerful tool, and understanding the basics like subtraction can greatly enhance your efficiency. First things first, open up Excel on your computer. Once you have Excel running, you'll see a new workbook, or you can open an existing one where your data is stored. If you're looking to start fresh, navigate to File and select New to begin with a blank workbook. As we prepare our data, make sure you have the numbers you want to subtract from one another. This can be a great time to organize your data into columns and rows if it isn't already, so everything is easy to read and access. Now, we're ready to dive into the subtraction process. Find an empty cell where you want the result of your subtraction to appear. This is important because Excel needs to know where to display the result. Click on this blank cell to select it. You'll notice a green outline around the cell, indicating it's ready for input. Next, let's get into the actual operation. Begin by typing the equal sign directly on your keyboard or by clicking the equal sign symbol on the formula bar. This equal sign is crucial as it signals to Excel that you're about to enter a formula. After this step, click on the cell containing the number you wish to subtract from. This will automatically add the cell's reference into your formula. Following this selection, press the subtract sign, which is the dash symbol on your keyboard. This subtraction operator tells Excel that you're performing a subtraction. Once you've done that, click on the cell that contains the number you wish to subtract. This inclusion completes your formula by showing Excel both the number you're subtracting from and the number you're subtracting. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Upon doing so, Excel will instantly calculate the result and display it in the cell you initially selected. And just like that, you've successfully performed a subtraction in Excel. Understanding subtraction in Excel is quite straightforward but immensely valuable, particularly when dealing with large data sets. By consistently using this simple process, you can work through complex sheets with ease. Keep practicing this skill, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps simplify your work in Excel.